Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and it's exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is concerned at how the society at large is not showing the same concern they had, as he put it, for a known gangster, viewers and subscribers. And him I wonder if the reason why the powers that be now show so much concern, if because I never him do it, viewers and subscribers. For those who are not in the know, there was a lady inside of her house when security forces was allegedly patrolling through, and you know, the A1 go off and the lady's life was taken. Now, them are going to rule it as accidental, but it was, as I would say, either improper training or something on the side of the individual in possession of that A1. Because there was a standard training of a patrol, him could do it to any one of the people that sitting beside him to same way then. But we are saying, viewers and subscribers, how come we not see society talk about it? We see people even not show more concern for something that took place overseas than for something that take place right upon local soil. And no, this is not me saying out in the streets, backyard, no. But I am saying, however, when I see people talk about it, we see whole heap of hashtags being reposted about overseas matters. We not see no hashtag or no reposting for what going on locally. And the teacher say when film situation did take place, there was a nationwide outrage. People are saying, hey, that go on, and that him do. But nobody now talk about what has taken place and what has been admitted to have taken place. The lady was inside of our house. All the proof is there. We don't need no speculation and we don't need nothing circumstantial. We have everything needed. But there is no concern about the situation, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel vex. Me myself too, viewers and subscribers. Because as we point out, we remember the attention even from the powers that be over the teacher situation. And that was speculation. So on to this. And we have all of the proof that we need. Do you know what took place worldwide recently, viewers and subscribers? Some that's how the security forces go out of them way. Excessive use of authority. You see them make a woman to push up. Be things are going. Whole heap of things are take place. No, this is something that has been brought to the light. But for some reason, Vybz Kartel say, yo, the public is almost acting as if it is just another day in the office. While it might have become the cultural norm, there is nothing normal about it. And the teacher say they need to give the same energy for this particular situation as how them follow up theme thing being very overzealous. With the DPP they know. Or she now move forward for the matter. Or she now say justice. Where is the justice now? I guess it's because it is not an high profile case. Them not really care. Because it is not a high profile case, viewers and subscribers, I guess people are say, boy, I just one of them thing there. No, I don't just one of them thing there. The teacher said justice for everybody. A justice for everybody. Him included. Him included, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about how this matter in particular is being handled. Let me know how you feel about the teacher's statements, viewers and subscribers. Whether or not you are in view, say yo, you know, the teacher is innocent, as is my view. Are you one of the naysayers? The reason is not about that. The reason is about the energy that was given to that situation. The concern, the want, or them want justice. Where is that same energy from his Google. I not see it. I have not seen it being expressed by any party. We see the MP forward over there, and you know what I mean, she's there with the people, and the Prime Minister passed through the area. But other than that, what else? What else is being done? We don't see nothing else being done, viewers and subscribers. All we hear are more talk. People have been taken off of active duty and Ray and no, man not say yo what for go on with the soldier. We not talk about that. This is about the reaction and attention to our local situations. That is what is being discussed. Why are we more, I would say, interested in things that happen internationally as opposed to things that take place right here upon local soil? Things that we can actually do something about. Is it because people just rather have the discussion and do nothing as opposed to doing something and then having a discussion about things that were done? Because that's what people are doing now. People are discussing actions being taken by our, you know what I mean? Our brothers and sisters on another continent. But what we are doing right is upon our local island, of which we put individuals in power via elections and things like that matter. Or we now call for certain change in policies locally. I think that's something we should have called for too. We are champion the cause of overseas policy change. What about local policy change? That would affect locals in a bigger way than international change. Even though we all know if things change internationally, it would have that trickle effect where, you know, things that overseas, the results and effects are felt right across the world. Especially if that means, you know, a major city, major continent, any major changes where is championed by a first world international country normally have some trickle effect where other countries normally side down on the style and, you know, things change. But we should be leveling for our own changes locally, and the teacher point that out, viewers and subscribers. So talk to me in the comment section about that. Let me know what you feel about the situation that took place overall. As I'm saying, it is not necessarily about who is at fault, because we know who is at fault. The woman inside our house, so we know who's at fault. But at the same time, we are saying that the way matters are handled, that need for change. The focus, the things that people pay attention to locally, that need for change. The fact say, yo, it's almost like if it isn't a certain high profile, because this would have been a high profile case, but it's just that the defendant would not have been a high profile individual. Just another person where they are work, where something happen. He said, don't know what happened, but it happened nonetheless. So maybe on that basis, they must say, yo, not nonetheless, no notoriety, no this. See, so them do it for notoriety. It was never about any justice. It was never about the teacher, the innocent or not. It was about securing a conviction so that them conviction rating would go up. How does that? The situation kind of paints a little different situation locally and the entire. It give the government a look. Let's just say that. So, I don't think they might go out of them way to actually prosecute a worker of the state, a state employee. That not upon them list of agendas. If they have to do it, they will. But it is not something that is high on their list of agendas. Think about it. The same energy where they not show the teacher situation, they not show it to that situation. They almost like they must sweep this under the rug. They don't want you to talk about it, they don't want me to talk about it, they don't want the teacher to talk about it. We are talking about it. We are bringing it to the forefront. It should be a topic of discussion, and we are discussing it. So talk to me in the comment section. Vybz is the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers. The like icon in the tweet, drop a like on the blog for me, like where your share icon is in close proximity. Share the blog with a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. But tell them sister, them brother, them, check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. You know how the something go. And for those who don't, first and foremost, up move settings, fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, gonna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.